Next up in statistics, we have studies and experiments. Now, for studies and experiments, there's two things that I want to point out. The first one is that no two studies or surveys or experiments will have the exact same results. Let's say I conducted a survey of these 10 random people in my school. Then let's say I took another 10 random people and asked them the same survey. What are the odds that they're gonna say the exact same thing? Alright, it's pretty much zero. And then the second thing is that the more diverse or random a study or survey or experiment is, the better or more reliable the results are. So let's say I ask 50 Genshin players whether they like playing Genshin or not. More likely than not, they're gonna say yes because they play Genshin, so obviously they're gonna be biased towards the game. Whereas let's say I took 50 random people from down the street, and then I asked them the very same question. Do they like Genshin? Of course, this one, the results are gonna be more varied. And of course, that means they're gonna be more reliable because it won't be as biased. Now, for a little trick on these types of questions, if it ever says largest population, instantly just look at your sample. So here for this question, a sample of 50 Genshin players was selected from a certain high school. The 50 players completed a survey about whether or not Genshin is a good game. Which of the following is the largest population to which the results of the survey can be applied? Of course, this only asks about people who play Genshin, so yeah, the results are gonna be biased. But that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for the largest population. So of course, we're gonna look at our sample, and whenever we look at our sample, any numbers you see, just ignore them, because they'll have no effect on the answer at all. So this 50 right here, pretend it's not even there. Then we know that our sample is gonna be Genshin players who at a certain high school. So our answer is just gonna be all Genshin players at the school. That's the largest population to which the results of the survey can be applied. Here's another example. A sample of 1,000 Vietnamese dancers were selected from 10 random teams at the Lion Dance Association. The 1,000 dancers completed a survey about whether or not Lunar New Year is their favorite holiday. Which of the following is the largest population to which the results of the survey can be applied? Once again, they're asking for the largest population, so let's look at our sample. We do have two numbers here, 1,010, but once again, just ignore them, alright? They'll have no effect and they won't change what our answer will be. Now we know our sample is gonna be Vietnamese dancers at this Lion Dance Association. So let's look at our answer choices and see what best fits. A, the 10. I'm gonna just stop right there. Any answer choices that contain a number are instantly going to be wrong. So that marks out A and B. Now let's look at C. All dancers in every line dance group. Now, this only applies to dancers in this one line dance association. It's not going to be in every single line dance group in the world, so it's not going to be C either. And then D, all Vietnamese dancers at the association. Yep, that matches perfectly with what this says, so our answer is D.